So I have a trick for hiccups. I have the hiccups right now. And a surefire trick to get rid of them was shown to me by my grandfather-in-law, my wife's grandfather. You take a cup, you take a straw, you put water in the cup, and then what you do is you put the straw in your mouth, and you drink the water around the straw. You don't actually suck the water up through the straw. You drink the water around the straw. I don't know how much sense that makes, but I'm going to demonstrate. And it will hopefully get rid of my hiccups. Every time I've tried it, every time my kids have tried it, every time my wife has tried it, it has worked 100%. So, put the straw in your mouth, put the cup in your mouth, but drink the water around the straw. Do not actually use the straw to suck up the water. Now let's see if we got rid of the hiccups. Every freaking time it works. Every freaking time. And I've had other people try this method, and they have responded back to me and said that it has worked for them to get rid of the hiccups. My hiccups are gone. So there you go. Take a straw, stick it in your mouth, drink the water around the straw, hiccups are gone. Works every freaking time. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. All right? So there's a little life hack for you. Enjoy.